Hello everybody, welcome to a video by Prodware Solutions on robotic process automation. In this video we will talk about what is an RPA solution. Basically RPA bot is a virtual worker that can be used for multitasking. It can be employed at will and can be used for majority of the business processes, right from MIS report generation all the way up to work order closing. Basically it's a bot that can mimic human activities and can be employed 24/7, can also be used remotely as is required today. What is the rationale for having digital labor or bot creation? Let's say for example your clients are requiring you to file their taxes on time, their statutory requirements need to be met on time, or there are activities that are both critical at the same time, like your month-end activities or your activities that are too mundane to be done repeatedly again. Those are the activities where digital labor can be employed. So basically an intelligent workforce and an intelligent bot is going to give you effective systems, which of course is going to give you an improved automation capability, which will give you a better efficiency. Now let's take an example of a scenario where an organization receives 4 or 5 different types of bank statements from different banks each month. Their finance department reconciles the statements with the actual transactions that are registered in the JD Edwards system. What this demo will help us look at is how do these bank statements get downloaded from the emails, get parsed through an Excel sheet, and then get reconciled in the actual JD Edwards system through the demo. So this bot will now log into the email, download the account statement, parse that account statement into a temporary location. Once it has parsed that location, it will log into JD Edwards system, and once it has logged into JDE system, go to the relevant application, pass those parsed entries into the application, and automatically reconcile all the entries out there. So you can see that the application is now open and the bot is now passing all the accounting related entries over there for the reconciliation part of it. For this scenario, we have chosen a situation where 6 of the 9 entries get reconciled properly, while 3 entries do not reconcile, as you will be able to see in this particular scenario over here. Once the reconciliation is complete, a summary report gets sent out to the designated email address or group of email addresses, which can be later on used for your reference purpose or further action purpose out there. So each organization is going to have its own set of use cases. The business and IT team will obviously work together to identify those cases, and ultimately the common goal has to be to save efforts where it is possible. And this is exactly where Prodware Solutions come into the picture. We have got a team of RPA certified professionals who have got a good understanding of the domain, and most importantly we have an experience in handling automation related requirements, not since the time of RPA advent but much before that. So let Prodware Solutions come and help you in this RPA journey. Reach out to us on sales@prodwaresol.com or go onto our website www.prodwaresol.com. Thank you.